Hello guys, my name is Pawan. I'm a full-time working professional currently preparing for CAT 26, and this past week I appeared for two mocks, one from IMS SimCAT 3 and the other from Career Launcher CDC Pro 1 mock, and I scored 27 marks in SimCAT 3 and 42 marks in CDC Pro 1 mock. I know the SimCAT 3 mock I messed up, and I have not yet did the analysis of it till now, so I will not discuss much about it now. I'll do that later in some other video. I have done the analysis of CDC Pro 1 mock, so I'll be talking about it in this video. So I scored 42 in CDC Pro 1. My overall percentile is 72.01, and I scored 20 in VARC, 8 in LRDI, and 14 in quants. So after analysis, I came to know that I'm only able to attempt 2 RCs in VARC, like that is my current capacity. I don't know, मैं जितना भी try कर लूँ मेरे से 2 RC से ज़्यादा attempt नहीं हो पाता है. If I try to I consume like 18 to 20 minutes for one RC. I know it is a lot, but उससे ज़्यादा मैं try करता हूँ तो I am not able to comprehend the passage properly. My current ability is attempting 2 RCs and 2 or 3 VA questions. And talking about LRDI, like during the analysis, I solved again those sets which I was not able to even attempt or solve during the actual test. So I came to know that I was able to solve one more set completely and few questions of the other set as well, apart from the one set which I solved in the actual test. I think the speed and time constraint is the problem here. Obviously better set selection also. The set which I attempted in the actual set should have been my second or third attempt, because it took much of my time, and apart from that there were few other sets which could have been done in lesser time. So yeah, that is the thing with LRDI. Talking about quants, I think quants is the most syllabus dependent subject out of all the three. So considering the syllabus, I have covered only little syllabus in quants. I'm currently able to solve 5 to 6 questions in quants, and I think it is justifiable. So my conclusion out of this mock after doing the analysis is that I need to work on reading speed in VRC. I need to work on better set selection in LRD, and obviously the practice, the exposure to the questions, it will definitely help me. And in quants, the syllabus coverage and practice. That was my analysis of CDC Pro 1 mock. Let me know what are your scores and what problems you are facing, like if they are similar to mine. Yeah, I guess that is it for this video. I'll catch up with you in the next video. If you're also preparing for CAT 26, feel to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.